Hi, I'm Andrea Smith with Echo Park Paper, and I'm so excited to show you our new Away in a Manger collection. This is our Away in a Manger collection kit, and the sticker to go along with that. I love the angels, the Mary, Joseph, and Jesus donkey, and those cute words with it. You have your solids paper pack, coordinating colors perfect with those papers. Here are the papers. You have your 3x4 journaling cards, the leaf branches. You have Mary, Joseph, and Jesus in the stable with the stars, and that fun tone-on-tone star B-side. Your journaling cards, you have 4x6s and 4x4s on one sheet with a beautiful stripe. Your angels and your words on that navy. You have a beautiful floral pattern with that green plaid and our border strip with that star paper. We have our Away in a Manger 6x6 paper pad with the ephemera die cut pieces. The night sky stencil, this has a big star at the very top, and your branches. Next we have the Nativity Silhouette die set. This is wide enough for an A2 card. We have our Peace Word die set, Away in a Manger with that cute star, and the 4x6 stamp. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to shop our new collections coming to you soon.